Welcome back. Let's get you other stories that we are tracking where there seems to be no end to the ragging terror across colleges in India. This is another case that has now been reported, of course, mainly been reported earlier from Kerala. Now a fresh case that has now emerged from the state of Karnataka where a Kashmiri student was assaulted by seniors in a medical college in Vijaypura. As the victim, who is said to be a second-year MBBS student from Kashmir, was reportedly subjected to physical abuse and mental abuse as well when it comes to a group of senior students from the same college. Now this incident that was reportedly that sparked off a heated discussion during a cricket match, and what is now being said that the Karnataka police have now registered a case and have arrested 5 of those students. As this investigation into the assault which is ongoing and the accused seniors who are expected to face disciplinary action, even as the probe continues, the principal has assured that the college has zero tolerance for ragging.
कल जो नहीं हमारे आलमगीर कॉलेज में जो नहीं स्पोर्ट्स चल रहा था ग्राउंड में, तो फाइनल ईयर स्टूडेंट और जो नहीं सेकंड फेज के बच्चे के साथ जो नहीं थोड़ा बहुत बातचीत में जो नहीं तकरार हो गई। वो बच्चे जो नहीं थोड़ा झगड़ा करके जो नहीं प्रॉब्लम कर लिए। तो आज जो नहीं बच्चा जो नहीं हमको 2 बजे बताया कि ऐसा ऐसा जो नहीं हमारे सीनियर्स मेरे साथ झगड़े करे बोले। तो हमें बोले डेफिनेटली उसके खिलाफ बच्चों के खिलाफ जो है डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन ले रही। हमारी डिसिप्लिनरी एक्शन कमेटी है यहाँ पे, जो भी हुआ है हम जो नहीं उसको जो नहीं एक्शन लेंगे जरूर।
फिर वो बच्चा खुद बोल रहा है कि उसके साथ रैगिंग हुआ है, थोड़ा बहुत सैल्यूट वगैरह किए हैं, सैल्यूट वगैरह करने के।
यहाँ रैगिंग का माने ही नहीं आता ना, बच्चा सीनियर बच्चा है वो, यहाँ पर रैगिंग की बात ही नहीं है। हमारा इदारा जो नहीं 40 साल का इदारा है ये, अब तक कोई घटना नहीं, कभी फ्यूचर में नहीं होगी ऐसी घटनाएं, समझे।
अब उसको मारपीट का भी वो बोल रहा है ना, बच्चे को मारा है।
नहीं, बच्चा बिल्कुल अच्छा है, आराम है वो, मतलब
अच्छा है बच्चा है, नहीं है।
हाँ,
उसको मारा है, इंजरी नहीं हुआ तो
हाँ नहीं, जो भी अगर उन्हें उसके साथ बच्चे के साथ कुछ भी बदसलूकी की है तो हम डेफिनेटली उनको बच्चों को एक्शन लेंगे, समझे ना।
Imran, action that has now been initiated, if you can give us the details as far as these senior students who are concerned who allegedly assaulted the second-year MBBS student have now been taken into custody. Imran?
ಇನ್ನೇನು ಅಂತಿಮ ಆಗ್ತದೆ 7ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಾಜ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬಜೆಟ್ 16ನೇ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಂಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
Well, yes, the Karnataka police has arrested 5 people in the Kashmiri students case. So the Home Minister is here right now. We'll just take a reaction from him on as to what the ST has to say, because the Jammu Kashmir Chief Minister has also tweeted on it, asking the Karnataka government to take strictest action on that. It's a ragging incident happened at Alameen University in Vijaypura University. Now the Home Minister is right now. We just goes across to him about this incident where his briefing is said. So there you see that the Home Minister said that in a short while from now he'll react on the Kashmiri University students issue where FIR is registered against 5 people.
Right, but what exactly is he saying now? Yes.
Students issue, so there is live.
All right, getting that live update from the state minister there in Karnataka as far as this incident of ragging is concerned.
FIR has been registered against 5 people.
No, if there is anything like
all right, we'll just get that live reaction from the state minister there on this incident. Of course, with the 2 chief ministers there also having a word with Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Omar Abdullah dialing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and assuring the strictest possible action is being taken in this incident. All right, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the Morning News. We'll be back on the other side with the latest headlines. Stay tuned.